Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my live trading session. Thank you for coming back, guys. All right. So let's take a look at what do we have here. All right. So hi Bradley, okay, and Hubert, Flora, Carol. Thank you for coming back here. Yes. Okay. So right now, we are still we are watching on the Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Right. Euro Aussie. Okay, let's take a look at Euro Aussie now. All right. So yes. Okay. Are we ready? Right. Euro Aussie. Yes. Right now. Yeah, Euro Aussie over here. Yes. We are waiting for the retesting of the previous support as a resistance. Okay, and so that we will be able to trade. Okay. So let's let it test the resistance first. Okay, so right now, the testing of the resistance now. Okay, is in progress, right? Okay, so let me get. Can you hear me? Okay, guys, if you can hear me, I hope. Can you give me a response by typing a 1? Okay, number 1. Okay, right. So yes. Okay. So over here, trying to get this up. Okay. So that make sure. Okay, every sound is good. Okay, good. Right. Thank you, Bradley. Right. So yeah. Okay, so right now, okay, so we are going to see which are the currency pairs that we have chosen earlier on to have a good one that we can trade on it. Okay, yes, of course, these are currently let's go through what we have. Okay, what we are going to focus: Euro Aussie, Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD. So Euro CAD, same thing. We are going to wait for it to test on the resistance. Without breaking the resistance, then we will start trading on that. All right, and we are depends on the situation by then. Okay. All right. So next to go, Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. Let's take a look. Euro Yen. Euro Yen yesterday. Okay, as we have chosen it, and but it breaks the resistance, no entry, and all the way it hits on the higher, coming back now. Okay, so let's wait again. Okay, to have a good entry before we actually proceed on. All right, so yes, I'm waiting for a new cycle of selling. That is correct. Okay, right. So yeah, so then let's move on again to Pound Aussie today. Pound Aussie, right? Pound Aussie today. As for Pound Aussie, the sideways it have breakthrough. Okay, and now waiting for it to break the support, can trade. All right. So Pound Aussie is something that we need to take note. Okay, that in Pound Aussie, over here I am actually looking for this opportunity to trade when it breaks the support. Okay, when it breaks the support, what am I waiting for? Okay, lower down to H1. Okay, over here, right? So in H1, I want it to break the support, then retest the support once again before I take action. All right. Okay, so that is what's my plan for Pound Aussie. So Pound CAD over here. Pound CAD is the same. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to break the support. Okay, I'm waiting for it to break the support before I actually proceed on with any trading. Okay, so let it break the support first. Okay, if it's right like now, it's breaking, retesting back. If it's got rejected, okay, then that may be a chance for us. Okay, all right. Hi George, good morning to you. All right, so let's proceed on to Pound Yen. Pound Yen, same thing. Yesterday it actually break the resistance. Okay, and actually going up further. All right, so over here it breaks this resistance, and after retesting, okay, I guess that should be a stop over here. All right, so from the retesting, okay, to the stop, we will actually experience about 15 to 18 pips of losses. Okay, So some of you, okay, I don't know the rest, okay, but that is where we actually have a stop. So over here, now coming back over this pound yen, it actually escalate all the way to create a higher high, and it met with this resistance level. So this resistance level comes again, and now we have actually from the past 8 hours, it actually started to move downwards. Okay, so currently looking at this pound yen situation, okay, I'm also looking for a new cycle. Okay, in perhaps this hour it may happen, or maybe the next hour. All right, okay, so let's look at dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD over here. Dollar CAD today, we are actually coming in as over here, as you can see, there's a new resistance already coming in, retesting as well. So I'm waiting for this dollar CAD is in a bear. So we are looking for a selling. So looking for a selling, then this one I want to wait for it to create a new selling cycle, like maybe now, like this. Okay, this is something good. Okay, as we can see, the selling right over here engulfing in the H1 candle over here. So looking at the past 30 minutes, we are still in the selling mode. Last 15 minutes, we are also in the selling mode. And M5, okay, so M5 over here, rightfully over here for the 1, 5, and 15, 20, 25. All right, so here, this should be the selling point here. All right, so yeah, but hang on for a while, okay, because since it's already over, don't chase. Then we shall wait for another round. Okay, so we shall wait for another round. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so is today a good day to trade with all the news facing, but today we don't really have a lot of high impact news. So we majority from now is all the low impact. So currently I will say that it's still possible, it's still good for us. All right, okay, so same thing, let's look out for something that is very potential for us. Okay, well, now looking at this, okay, pound yen, okay, yes, Roger, okay, pound yen. Okay, right now as we can see, pound yen have been rejected from the resistance, and now it's coming to selling in a consistent manner. H1 is also creating, now it seems it's creating a selling signal. Okay, but look out for M30, we started to sell. Okay, and M15 for the last 15 minutes we started to sell as well. Okay, so M5, this is one of the selling signal over here. Okay, so we have done for about 11, 12. Okay, so yes, okay, so we got to be very sharp. Okay, right, and waiting for it to happen. Okay, if yeah, right now it seems like very strong selling over here. As we can see, okay, as we can see over here, okay, such a candle like this. Okay, let's for example over here, all these three candles, can you see all these green candles over here? Okay, we have a lot of rejections below, right? Okay, so these are all the moving up candles. So the selling candle over here like this, the real body is covering, okay, it's covering all these three candles. If the candle open below and continue to sell down, okay, this usually is a strike. Okay, this is usually a strike. Okay, some people may call it a spike. Okay, okay, whatever you call, right? So you must just understand the fundamental, which is very important. Okay, the fundamental of this, okay, this candle managed to cover the last three of these buying candles over here. All right, it's always a sign of a big selling. There's a strike selling in the market. All right, so very likely it's going to push likely is going to push, okay, further down in the next opening candle. Okay, usually if you are in the correct direction of like a bear in a bearish market, okay, and that's fine, right? Okay, so yes, yeah, welcome to this session. Okay, in this session we are sharing our points, our views. Okay, all of you can take part. Okay, so all of you can participate, to leave some comment below. Okay, if you have something for us. All right. Okay, so first of all, same thing. Okay, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash the like button as a small token of appreciation, and ring up the bell to get the notification whenever I go live. Okay, all right. So continue by looking at this pound yen. Okay, as we have just mentioned, as you can see, this candle is coming down 1 2 3. Okay, just nicely for the past climbing the climbing candles over here in this area here. So very likely over here, okay, what we are going to see is that a strike, a selling is possible. But of course, by looking at this red candle, it came down, but after that it got some rejections. Of course, are you expecting a big falling from this from this moment? I would say probably we need some time, okay, because I see that there's a lower wick over here that we can see that this part here is actually there's some rejections. That means to say there's some support, like say here, okay, like say over here we have some support here, and we can see there's some lower wick here. Probably there's another support here, correct? Okay, so yes, this is something that we also need to pay attention to when we are trading, so that we know every details that we are able to grab. All right, so every details, of course, it comes along with some signal to tell us what's going on in the market, okay, so that we will be able to be very careful with it. Okay, all right, so right now, okay, by looking at this, okay, do we have a higher low over here? Okay, like example, here we have a retracement, a pullback, okay, a pullback over here. So usually by looking at this, okay, this pullback, all right, this pullback, it forms like a support here, right, another support here. But of course, this wave, I won't consider this as a higher support because it's considered from the starting point of this all the way. So this one is very crucial. If this current 5 minutes candle, right, is going to move up again, it's going to be a higher low, right, in this M5 time frame, a higher low. Okay, so by looking at this higher low, all right, I would say that it will become a buying signal, all right, temporary a buying signal within this hour. So we do not know whether in the next hour will it start to turn down as in a lower high, correct? So tentatively, okay, it is still moving. So it has we are still waiting for the conclusion, okay, from the market to show us where is it going before we actually take action, right? So let's take a look at Euro Yen again. Euro Yen, okay, in H1 we have a selling signal, okay, last 30 minutes selling signal, last 15 minutes selling signal with engulfing, which is good. And now M5, right, M5 over here, we have one engulfing candle here, and now it's starting to sell down, correct? Starting to sell down. So I guess this is something that we should also be looking out for, because the support is here, and you see it has one touch from the previous 5 minutes. It touches here and it started to sell down. Well, okay, so from here to here, let's say we have a gauge of 15 pips or 16 pips, all right. Then are we going to risk for anything more than that, like 20 or 30 pips? Well, it's possible, but tentatively by looking at this, basing on M5, okay, we will only take 10. Let's scout for a 10, right? So this is the kind of concept that we will go with, so that we will be so much safer to trade for a day trading to grab some profit daily. Okay, just like me, for me myself. Okay, that's my trading concept over here. All right, so to say that we are always looking out for support. Okay, so that everyone will be able to grab the profits daily. Okay, all right. Yes. Okay. So yep. Okay, that's pretty good. All right. So let's see what do we have for everyone here. Okay. Okay, that's good. Right. Okay. By looking at pound yen, huh? Okay, let's go back to pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. Let's go back to pound yen. Let's take a look pound yen. Okay, so this is the example. Yeah, good. Okay, this is the example. For example, like this. Okay. So like you say, okay, pound yen over here, all right. Pound yen over here now it is actually coming down. Okay, one wave, right? So it's not breaking through and now it's climbing up for a higher support, right? All right. Yes, this is a higher support. So in this case, okay, this is a higher support. So can we actually sell now? All right, we are not going to sell right now, but over here, what we are going to do is that look out for a resistance nearby. Okay, for example, here in this area of resistance for M5. Okay, this is the area of resistance for M5 here. Okay, so are we not going to look at H1? We are going to look at M5. Okay, the M5 over here, right? This is this one. Okay, let me pull this down. Okay, let me take a look. Let me pull this down to show you so that you have a better understanding over here. Okay, so can you see this is the resistance over here, and this one tested once, and now it started to retrace downwards. Am I right? Okay, so it's climbing back to retest the resistance here. All right, this area. And what is this area in a bigger time frame? Okay, right. So let's take a look example for H1. Okay, H1. If I'm going to zoom in H1, can you see where is the resistance? The resistance is actually the previous support, tested the ranging here, the sideways, okay, and the support, then tested and break. Correct? So this one, the previous support has become a resistance. Yes. Okay, so is it a good time to enter for a trade like this? Yes. All right. Okay, so this is the kind of rejections that we can see. All right. So this is a good time, all right, to grab it. Okay, so over here, as you can see, you got the rejections right now. Okay, previous 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes ago, we have rejections from this, and now for this higher support is actually going back to retest the resistance, whereby previously it was a support. Previously it was a support in H1, correct? So with this higher support, it went up. Okay, so as we can see, all right. This is my white line. It's actually my moving support. Okay, for people out there, you can use MA, right, for moving average. Okay, as a guide. Okay, whereby one thing for resistance, support and resistance. First of all, if you're using price action, usually people will use this. Okay, and for a resistance, correct, to plot out your resistance. So if you actually plant in another like an indicator for your case indicator. Okay, so you can actually plant in this plant in this moving average. Okay, whereby this may be a moving resistance as well. Okay, right. So for my side here, for my case over here, okay, this is my personal system whereby I actually plant it in. Okay, whereby this is this white line is we actually define it as a trader's line. Okay, what do I mean? What do I mean by the trader's line? It also means that the current trader are likely to receive the price at which level. Okay, so example like this, it actually touches my white line. Okay, and now it got rejected. Correct? Okay, so candle below the white line, it will be a resistance. Candle above the white line, it will be a support. Okay, so it's a very clear and simple subject. Okay, all right. So yep, EJ, right? Let's take a look at EJ. Well, EJ, okay, now EJ, wow, that's good. All right, so over here, EJ, okay, now it's actually testing on the support here. Okay, by looking at the whole of a trend right now, okay, like earlier on, like I said, this white line is my trader support line. Okay, so candle later on, okay, now it's actually testing on the support over here. Can you see right here? Okay, so as you can see, previous hour it touches the support and it got rejected. Okay, it got rejected. So right now, okay, it's coming downwards. It's coming downwards near to the support. So when such situation comes, okay, ask yourself, is it a safe trade to enter? If you are selling, like I always say, if you are selling, you must sell at the resistance. But if you are selling right now near to the support, your risk is getting higher. Okay, your risk is getting higher because let's say if you are going to set your stop, okay, let's say you're going to set your stop will be right here. Am I right? Once it breaks through the resistance, so the stop will be here. Let's say estimated here. So it's about 25 pips. Okay, so your stop will be about 25 pips. So it may, and you may experience only about 7-8 pips to the support, and you're going to get rejected. So it's not worth it. Okay, so you have to gauge. You have to use a gauge. So I use a gauge like this, okay, to tell me whether is this trade worth a risk. Okay, all right. So George, I hope I hope this helped you. Okay, all right. So over here, Sawadee krap yo, bye di mai. Right, so okay, so yeah, I speak a little bit of Thai. Okay, so for people in Europe right now, okay, so just to let you know, I'm not multilingual yet, okay, but I'm still learning along the way, right? Okay, so do share with me, okay, your language so that I can learn along the way with you together. Okay, so yep, and this is how I read the Euro Yen EJ over here, where it's very near to my support level. Okay, so I will prefer to wait for another lower resistance, okay, whereby I will say that it's here. Okay, let me bring this down. A lower resistance, like say here, can you see? Okay, because of the support has been tested, and now coming for a selling. So I will prefer to wait for it to go up again to test on this resistance. If it's not breaking and forming another selling engulfing candle once again, okay, then we start selling from here. Okay. Alternatively, the support continue to go down. That's good. Okay. Then let it go down first. Then retrace upwards again to retest the support level here. Okay. Then without breaking another lower resistance, then we shall shoot for a selling. Okay, so yep, so let me place this previous support as a resistance here first. Okay, so when it retraces upward, retesting, if it's not breaking and forming another lower resistance, yes, then we go for it. Okay, right. Bye di ka. Okay, we miss you. Miss you mak too. Okay, all right. So yeah, okay, so yeah, and coming again, all right. So Thailand will see you very soon, huh? Thailand will see you very soon. Okay. Okay, so hi CK, nice to see you here. All right. So now, for Euro Yen, I'm waiting for like this. A rejection is good. Okay, coming as you can see now. It went up near to it is coming to the support, which become a resistant area, and it got rejected. Am I right? Okay, I think that's pretty good. So let's wait for one new cycle again. All right, then we probably will have a good selling there. Okay, all right. So yes, Powcat. Okay, let's take a look at Powcat. Okay, all right. For me, if I'm going to read Powcat. if I'm going to read Powcat this way, okay, I'm going to read Powcat this way. Powcat is still testing on the support, all right, and you see the support over here, it got rejected. So this is not a very ideal one. So I'm going to keep it away from trading right now until it breaks the support. Okay, that's for Powcat. Okay, Pound Yen, all right, Pound Yen, yes, about Pound Yen. Okay, coming back to Pound Yen once again. Pound Yen, we are in the selling, am I right? Okay, that's pretty good. So now in H1, we are in the selling cycle. Green and red candle coming over. Now you see it's lower. The now current price is lower than the previous real body. So past 30 minutes, we are selling. 15 minutes, we are selling. And M5 now, as you can see, the last 10 minutes, okay, like I said, we are going for a higher support. But it got rejected. It got rejected by the white line and now coming for green, red, and red, now engulfing, correct? Okay, so right here, this part is an engulfing candle. As you can see, green and red already engulfing, and now this one, okay, this candle, the engulfing candle, right? So I think this is good. Yep. All right, so now, as we can see that it is not building a higher support, correct? That means a higher lows. There's no higher lows, there's no higher support. So it's actually coming down from the resistance here. Instead of running on the higher lows, it comes with a lower high, correct? Okay, this is a lower resistance. Okay, so lower resistance is over here. So looking at this now, okay, it's coming in our way. So this is also something good that we should also pay attention to. I think Pound Yen, yep, after a long wait yesterday, okay, and today they actually hit on one of the important another high of the resistance. Now it's coming down. Over here, as you can see, this candle, it got rejected, correct? It got rejected. There must be a reason. Okay, of course, in my system, my aqua line is moving. Now, currently it's on the moving, as you can see. Every line is whenever candle is below all the lines, it's all about resistance. It's about how strong the resistance it is. So tentatively, by looking at this, there's a support here, which tested a few rounds and got broken. And here, it also a resistance as well. So over here, tentatively, sometimes, okay, when the time frame is a bit too small, okay, it's also something that we need to pay attention to, where the previous support that become a resistance, it may not work so well. Okay, so you have to pay attention to certain things. Like example, this support is formed up and being tested. So that means to say, in such a situation, very likely it's going to test a resistance. So by looking at this, when you started to have such a situation, when you started to test on the resistance, it won't be like this support that become resistant. It will not work. Okay, it will work somewhere here, because this resistance is also the H1 resistance over there, and which actually just now previously I showed you. Okay, it's very clear, correct? Okay, so I guess this is the part, okay, and this is the part whereby we are looking out for. Okay, and now this is coming down to test on the resistance once again. Now, will it break the resistance? Sorry, will it break the support? The question is, a lot of people ask, will it break the support over here? I wouldn't know. Okay, I wouldn't know. All right. As a trader, as a retail trader, I'm not there to control or manipulate the market, but making sure one thing. Okay, in this area there will be institutional coming in, retail trader coming in, right? But looking at lower resistance coming, lower resistance tested, a lower resistance coming is a sign of breaking. It's a sign of breaking. Okay, you can use this. Yes, you can use this gauge. Okay, you can use this to gauge. Okay, to tell whether this M5 support, because M5 is a small support, correct? So it's a minor support. So will it break Okay, and this is how it will read again. Okay, if I'm going to shrink down a little bit, okay, zoom out a little bit, as you can see, my white line over here, this is where it got rejected. Am I right? First of all, come to purple line is the world trend line. Okay, where it's kind of strongest resistance over here. Then the traders is going to resist. After that, for the past 15 minutes ago, right? The past 15 minutes, as you can see here, this candle is going to form up a higher support. But when it touches the white line, it got rejected. That means it's rejecting over here. So over at this point of time, okay, we are actually looking out for an opportunity that it will start to sell. Okay, it will start to sell with a lower resistance reading on the chart here. It's going to sell further down, okay, to break the support. Well, this support now is coming as in the over here as in the resistance, correct? Okay, let me bring this down. Let's see, as a resistance over here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so it's always an area. So it's always an area about from this area. Okay, around this area. All right. So as you can see, now this M5 current candle, it got rejected. Now it went up to test support, which become a resistance. It got rejected. Am I right? Okay, so this is another way of reading it. Hold it further down. Okay, right. Hi Forex New Way. All right. So buy orders are sitting at 160.975. 160.975. Okay, let's see. 160.975. Or let's move 160.975. Well, okay, so somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay, so are we pretty near there? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, so looking at this, all right. Okay, so we are pretty near, correct? We are pretty near. So this is the area of support, right? It's pretty okay. So sell stop at the same level. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, now over here, by looking at this level, okay, why is it so at this level? 160.975. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to retrace downwards. Okay, it's starting to retrace downwards from this part here. That is a resistance. So same thing. The previous resistance will become a support after tested and break, correct? So now we are coming back here. So this is the area. This is the area that we also have to pay attention to. Yes, exactly. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Forex New Way. Okay, so this is thank you for your sharing. This is a good information here, right? So now by looking at this, okay, will it break this 160.975? Will it break this 160.975? All right. So it also depends largely, okay, on the movement at the current situation. Okay, as we have to be very tactful. Okay, in a way that we can see this level, correct? As a retailer, for me myself, as based on my experience, when we can see this level, it's the same thing where we can the institutional will also see this level, right? Okay, so bear in mind, who are we trading with? Our brokers. And who are the brokers, right? Who are the brokers in that case? Okay, so we know, okay, clearly, okay, so we know clearly, okay, about that. Okay, so we also need to be very careful. Okay, when we come to this price, okay, there may be a selling, there may be a buying back, okay, rejections coming along from this level. Will this buying back persist on? This is a question, right? So a lot of us may pump in a buying signal here, a buying trades over here. Okay, I'm not challenging Forex New Way, all right? Okay, but I'm just sharing, okay, because this is my experience, and this is the level as you see. I also see this level. Okay, I also agree with you, but there are times, okay, there are times that we need to be very careful because when some you know, some institutional when it comes in, okay, this way, a lot of buying trade will come in. Okay, so what will they do is that buying will be continued first, but in the next moment it will start to break through, okay, and wipe out the buying trade. After wipe out the buying trade, then it will come back for a buy. So there's a lot of factors that actually comes into play when we come about trading, right? So we got to know not just about the technical analysis. We also need to understand certain things like say where are the you know these institutional will maybe coming in, and when will they be going off, and then we start trading in again. Okay, so yeah, sell stop just shifted 167 160.70. I'm just telling you order book data. Oh, I see. Okay, I mean it's good. It's good. I welcome all the informations that we're sharing online here. It's very good. It's very good. Forex New Way, I guess it's very good. I also love to see sharing like this. It's actually nice, really nice, because all of us will start to understand more about trading in the Forex market. What are the things that we have to look out? You have very good sharing. Thumbs up for you. Okay. All right. Good. Okay. So, and in this currently, okay, as we can see, okay, we are actually coming into this area. Okay, after it hits what you have just mentioned. Okay, indeed it just rejected up, and now it's testing on the previous support as a resistance over here. Okay, right. Oh, I see. Fantastic. Okay, so we have a great man here. You're full-time since 2007, and I was professional trader at Goldman Sachs. Wow, that's fantastic. Wow, we have great honor over here to have you. Okay, all right, so that's good. Well, that's nice. Okay, so I guess we have plenty to learn from you as well. Okay, all right, so yes, so right now, more onto the trading. Okay, whereby traders out here, like me myself, all right, I am actually also trading on one way that is actually have been working well for me myself. So just sharing it out together. So there are plenty of things to learn as well. Okay, so yeah, George, EJ, TP 10 pips, congratulations. Okay, that's good, fantastic. Okay, good. Right. So I guess today you should make about $100. I guess so. All right. Yes. Okay. So yep. Right. So right now, okay. So apart from Pao Yan that we are actually reading now, like Forex New Way just shared, and we can see it very clearly. You can see that over here, okay, that is actually now rejected from the price he quoted. Okay, that's fantastic. Okay, so over on my side here, okay, we can see that from what the price has been quoted around this area. Okay, plus minus there may be a little bit difference. Okay, there'll be a difference because of different liquidity provider that we are actually trading on. Okay, so over on my side, but should be around this area. As I can see, there's a previous resistance. Okay, that actually become a support. So this area here is actually giving out a lot of signal. Okay, whereby this the rejection may comes in here. So it actually forms as a support, whereby in this support over here, all right, okay, so this will be good, and this will be nice, that we should be cautious about, and just take note. All right, so yes, Hubert. Okay, Hubert, right, Hubert from Germany saying hi to Forex New Way. Okay, so As another Leonard was saying that how will we be how will it go to read that is going to break this? Well, okay. Currently, based on the situation, okay, based on the situation, there's a certain situation that we need to pay attention to, because after the rejections here, as you can see, the support level has become almost the same. All right, so it's going to become a support over here. So usually, okay, how I actually going to read this as going to break the support, okay, right? So in this way, okay, usually when it comes for a lower resistance, once again, okay, a lower resistance. So lower resistance like this, okay, coming here this way, okay, coming here this way, okay. So this is something that we are looking out for, okay, because by understanding the current market, like example, okay, sellers are still willing to sell at a lower price, okay, towards the resistance. That means to say they still have confidence that the price should go lower, okay, the price should still go lower. So all these are just some theory, to understand, how whether it will it break the support, okay. It comes along with some movement understanding, okay. So perhaps, okay, perhaps I may not be right, okay. I always believe that there's no right or wrong in trading. There's only about suitability, okay. So far, okay, so by reading all this, we can see that the rejections comes along here. This definitely is a very strong support, okay. It's a very strong support. So where the strong support comes from? Okay, all right. The strong support actually, as we can see, the support is here. All right, as we can see, the support is here, right? The rest of the world also can see. So when the funds actually pull in together, okay, when the funds pull in together, okay, it become a very big funds. So when the very big funds comes, definitely, okay, so things will come along this way, correct? Okay, so the theory is somewhere there. Okay, so yeah, so actually, coming along with this theory, but theory is still theory, but we still have to depend on the current situation to see where it is behaving, what's the kind of behavior from the market, okay, so that we can react according to it, right? So Forex New Way was saying, oh, you're welcome, George. Main volume is traded at 161,401. 161,401. 401. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this level, okay. So as long as we are below that level, selling pressure will persist. Yes, I agree with you. Yeah, this is the one that, yes, correct. That's right. Okay, so good. Yes, thank you so much for the information. That's nice. That's really nice. Okay, so like Forex New Way was saying that, okay, there's this is something that we are also looking out for. Okay, so that's now the euro yen. Okay, euro yen. So as we can see over here, right? So as we can see, euro yen, okay, it came down, okay, from here this way, the rejections over here. And I was saying that this is the point that we are very near to the support level, so it's not very ideal yet. Okay, so until like now it's breaking off and retest, there's a pullback now, a pullback over here. So there's a pullback over here. What does that mean? So now it's trying to break the support over here, correct? So in this currently, okay, this pullback is also a kind of a retesting. So it's now actually moving towards, okay, retested and not breaking up again, and now it's going south. Now it's still going south again. So this is something that we also need to pay attention to, like over like a pound yen similar situation. Okay, so if this area If this level, okay, has been break, okay, over here, then probably we may be waiting for another pullback to test, retest again, to retest before to have a better confirmation. Okay, all right. Okay, so once again over here, we are actually looking at this right now. Okay, Powcat again now. Powcat, let's take a look. Powcat is not there yet. Okay, Powcat is still not there. We are still waiting for it to break the support first. Okay, because it's not very optimistic to sell right now. Okay, so this is not yet. So we are still waiting for things like let me check. Okay, so over here, right? Okay, it should be quite near already. Okay, we are quite near. Okay, so still waiting for the right time. Yeah. Okay, still waiting for the right time. How can just a while more. Just a while more. So now the pullback here. Now, right? Let's see over here. We are about 20 pips away from the support. So likely for this, probably we just need to have longer wait. Okay. There's a longer wait here. Okay, so now come back to this area, the pound yen. Okay, earlier on we are saying that this area of resistance, this area of support has become a resistance over here. So the purpose of this, understand the purpose. Now with this, we are coming to retest the support here, correct? Okay, so that's one over here. Previous resistance, which will actually tested and break over here to become a support level. Yes. Yes, that's right. What's the commotion there? Okay, guys, we are on another platform here, and okay. I see. Okay, so. Okay. That their joke has nothing to do with our trading here. Yes. Okay. Yep. All right. So dollar CAD is not there yet. Okay. So yep. All right. Okay. So just I'm more focusing on this pound yen. Okay. I'm focusing on pound yen. Okay. We have 160. Like Forex New Way was saying that 160.70. Okay, it should be around here. 160.70. Okay, each here. Okay. Yeah, it should be around here. Okay. So it should be around here. Yep. Okay. Yep. To be exact here. Alright. 160. Okay, so I think it's about here. Okay, as we can see. Alright. We have some resistance at this level, which is yesterday resistance. Okay, so now coming back for a retesting of this resistance. So now this retesting of this resistance, we got to be careful, because just in case it started to build up a buying signal, then probably that may be giving us a signal that is coming for a stop. Okay, it's coming for big. So probably this also may be something that we will need to get, right? Okay. Right, Forex New Way, may I know, yesterday you were saying that, if I didn't remember wrongly, you are Canadian living in Japan. Which city of Japan? Do you know something? I like Japan very much. I love Japan very much. I went to Kyoto, I went to Osaka, and yes, sorry. Okay. Okay, so sorry, Forex New Way. I'll catch up again. Yeah, okay, here. Saitama near Tokyo. Oh, I see. Okay. I'm not very familiar with this name, this place. Okay. I'm actually British. I was born in the UK. Oh, I see. You're born in UK. Okay. I see. Right. Okay. Nice. Very nice. You know? Okay. I lived in South Africa for a few years. Oh my god, you are really heaven. I guess many of you, many people out there must be thinking, oh, your lifestyle is a heaven. Okay, so yep, okay, so there's a question for Pao Yen over here, right? Okay, so yes, now as I can see over here, there's a upper shadow. Okay, a long wick above here. It's a sign just now trying to go back to S. Am I right? Okay, so if I'm going to bring this a little bit lower to be exact here, you can see. Okay, this one. Okay, then you can see the upper wick is actually touches the previous support that become a resistance. Now it's rejecting. It's rejecting down here. Okay, so yes, we still struggling in this area. Okay, struggling in this area. So I guess this is also a point that a level that we should also pay attention to. Okay, all right. Okay, so yes, Euro Aussie. Okay, let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie, over here, we have a rejections. Okay, 5 minutes ago, we have a rejections here. Okay, so is this a so-called rejections here? All right. Okay, so looking at this, previous support has become a resistance over here. And coming over to M5 or H1. Okay, 1 hour ago, yes, it has been tested and got rejected here. All right, so over here, yes, that's right, it has been rejected over here. So now for the last 30 minutes, we are actually having a selling. We're on the selling mood right now. Okay, same thing for 15, and also we are now, yes, Euro Aussie. Okay, yes. Okay, so if I'm going to, we have about 20. I will take the 20. Yeah, 20 pips. Okay. Euro Aussie. Okay. Right. Okay. Currently, you're on the 5. Oh, I see. Okay, a 5. All right. I guess yes. I think it should still another minute, another 4 minutes to go. All right. It's a fresh new hour. Okay. So yeah, just hang on. Yeah, just hang on with it. Okay. Just hang on with it. Okay. So yes. Also, yep. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, hang on with it first. Okay, all right. Okay, so Euro Yen, I think right now Euro Yen. Okay, so coming back to Euro Yen over here, we are now more or less breaking off the support and going back to retest. Okay, we are coming back to retest. Okay. So yeah, Pound Yen. Let's take a look at Pound Yen. Right, Pound Yen. Yes, Pound Yen. Okay, it's still in this region, correct? Pound Yen. Yep. Okay. So okay, so yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we just leave it here first. Okay, so let's see how it moves from here. Okay. Right. Anybody apart from Bradley, huh? Okay, Bradley. Yes, Bradley. Okay. Yes, welcome. Kapuma Club. Well done. Okay, EA, TP, 10 pips. Okay, that's good. Well done. Nice. Okay. That's nice. Okay. Okay, so coming along, come back Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. Okay, so this hour, okay, over here. Okay, so for Euro Yen, Pound Yen, okay, so this we also need to take a look at the timing as well. Okay, timing is also something very important. Sawadee krap, May, สบายดีไหม Key period at the moment is 161 in Pound Yen, right? 161 16104 okay, 16104, okay. Broke that so a little up now. Broke that so a little up now. Oh yes, I do agree with you. Yes, agreed. Okay, so let me see. Okay. Yes. Sorry again. The messages went too much. Can you slow down a bit? I missed out. I missed out. Yeah. I see. Okay. I think for Pound Yen, for Pound Yen, okay, we are actually okay, like over here we have a support with a previous resistance become a support, am I right? Okay, so now it's actually coming in to look out for a resistance, okay, before it will continue the selling. Okay, all right. Yes. Okay. Yep, that's right. So no. Nah. Okay. Okay. Bradley, TP 15 pips for EA, huh? Okay, congratulations. That's good, right? Okay, that's nice. Okay. Okay. Right. So. Okay, so right now, okay, let's use Pound Yen to have some discussion over here. As we can see over here in this Pound Yen. All right. For guys who are new to my YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button. All right, so to join in, okay, so that we can trade together, and also we can enjoy the sharing from this wonderful community. Okay, we have plenty of people are sharing right now, and like Forex New Way, we have GT, and we have George. Well, it's a very nice community here, so I'm very happy. Okay, the reaction of the engagement of the community make this session wonderful. All right. Okay, so sometimes about trading, not just about getting profits. It's also talking about getting some perks, like some learning points here that everybody can get to know how to trade in a different situation, circumstances, so that you will have a better understanding. Correct? Okay. So I hope I'm right. Okay. So over here, okay, right now, to what I see over here is that Pound Yen, we are actually looking out for a new resistance. Okay, for a new resistance to have another selling off. All right, but please take into consideration, okay, like Forex New Way, if you are in Japan right now, so I guess your timing over there is 17 hours, Japan hour 17, am I right? So it's already closing. Okay. Okay, so I guess so So for most of the trader out there, okay, so if we are going to touch on anything like pound yen, euro yen, okay, so we need to give a little bit more patience, okay, because the volume may change, okay, the volatility may get lower, liquidity may get lower. All right, so this is something that we also need to pay attention, take note. Okay, all right. So yes, over this side here. Okay, so let's see if there's another rejections, another new resistance, a lower resistance coming around. Okay, right. I only trade UK American our market. Yeah, same here. Me too. But I only trade UK. I only trade UK market. Okay, so yes. But in Japan hour right now is the time in Japan now is 17 hours. If I'm not wrong. Okay. Yep. So okay. All right. So over here we have some. Okay, on the other platform here. Okay. 1709. Okay, that's yep. Okay. Right, so the market in for Japan has already closed. Yeah, so as what we now, okay, there's a question over here. Is that true? Is that true that first half there will be falling and the second half will be rising? Aha. Okay. I would say, okay, I will say in Forex market is always fluctuating, okay, according to situation, circumstances. Okay. And also the economy, supply and demand also. Okay, so there are plenty of factors that's actually affecting the movement, right? So we cannot gauge the chart by saying that okay, now it's actually moving downwards. Okay, example like this is moving downwards. Then after that, later of the day, you will start to move upwards. You know, it's not necessary that kind of behavior. Okay, it's not necessary, right? But sometimes, yes, I do agree that you will see things like this. Okay, but it will not happen all the time, right? Okay. Yeah. So yes, and again, okay, Euro yen. Okay, let's take a look at Euro yen. Euro yen. Euro yen. Let's take a look at Euro yen over here. Euro yen. Yes. Resistance is still running at this area. Okay. Resistance still running this area. Okay. Still running on this area. Okay. Okay, so we need to this is not really the this can be one, but this is a very minor one. Okay, this can be a very minor one. Yeah, so it's still a gauge. Okay, it's still coming out. Okay, so we have to understand. Okay, we have to understand that this is just a minor one. Okay. 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 In every resistance, they're bound to have some rejections or some selling back. Okay, but however, it may also break the resistance as well. It will still break the resistance as well if you are in the correct directions, I would say. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, let's come back over here. And what do I see here? Forex New Way was saying that do you guys understand the daily cycle? Right? Okay, the daily cycle. Okay, so hang on. Okay, hang on. I have too many. Okay, too many. Okay. Okay, so sorry, over here. Okay, so like now euro yen. Okay, euro yen. This part here. We'll see this as you know. Okay, over here. Can you see? Okay, can you see over here? Okay, there's a support previously that become a resistance that got rejected down. It's a lower resistance creating now. Okay, okay, over here. All right. Yes. Okay. So. Okay. 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 You got it, huh? Okay. Yeah. Come back here again. Be careful with the pound yen. There's some imbalance up top, and there is a load of buy stop sitting at 162. 162. Stop. And over here. Okay. 162. 162. Okay. We have a message for Paul yen. I'm sorry. Forex New Way. Okay, there's a message for you. Okay, over here on the other side there. What do you mean by imbalance up top? And there's a load of buy stop sitting at 162 over here. Okay. Okay, so the rest I think okay, let's wait first. Okay, let's see over here. We do have one. Okay. Yes. I guess okay. Usually, okay, some forex market over here, it there's a consistent daily cycle. That's true. Okay, and it's usually okay, it's created by these day traders or no, then swing trader. Okay, swing trader will also use this as a very good information in trading as well. So a market cycle is a pattern in the market that much like a it's like a Ferris wheel, I would say. Okay, it comes again and again and again. But the thing is that there are situations like example, sometimes like example Brazil, okay, president elections, all this kind of big issue, big news, something like this, okay, and it may not, it may not occur every day, okay. So just be very careful, okay. Although the cycle may comes like a Ferris wheel, okay, going down and coming up again, going down, coming up again. Yes, it may arise, but you have to monitor for a period of time to understand what is the whole of the cycle is coming along, okay. And also bear in mind that the situation in the market is also something very important, okay. Okay, so yeah, I need more water. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I've been I've been resting for quite a long while for my vocal to recover. So usually I try not to speak for a long period of time, okay, just to make sure that my vocal is not damaged again. Okay. Right. So yep. Okay. So once again, Euro Aussie over here. Okay. So we have completed, right? Euro Aussie, huh? Okay. Euro Aussie completed. Okay. No more. Okay. Euro yen. Okay. Euro yen. Not tentatively is still still moving on this right here. Okay, so over here, what am I going to see is that once it actually pierced through, okay, retested, then it will coming for a buy. Okay, so this is something to please take note. Please take note, okay. Yes. Right. So yes, pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Well, will there be any selling opportunity over here? Pound yen. Okay. The opportunity over, I would say the opportunity right now. Okay, like say this one. Okay, as we can see over here. And zoom in. Okay, so now once this has been break over here, can you see this lower wick candle over here? Actually came down to retest again, but it has been rejected. Okay, it got rejected here. So now this is not a good sign for selling. No. Have to wait. Yes, Hubert, your side there have to wait. Okay, please wait. Okay, please wait. Yes. Right. So over here, waiting for the next resistance coming along. Yes, correct. Like I say, okay, over here, let's look at this part here. All right, let's look at this part here. So this area here, okay, now we are looking at things like it started to retrace upwards, right? Started to retrace upwards. So coming again, you know, everything from buying is also always started from a support. So this coming along, is there any support that is building up? 30 building up, correct? So are we moving into another session? Are we moving into another session of the 4 hours? Okay. Oh, in the next 4 hours, so this coming 4 hours is going to open. So we still left with about 40 minutes to go. So currently, if this is going to get rejected and the next hour is going to have a buying signal, then pound yen will have to pull for a handbrake. Okay, right? So this is something that we have to pay attention to, right? Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay, good. What is that? Something over here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so are we now still under safer mode for the second half of the day, which means in the US market, right? Okay, US market. Okay. Let me plot this out like earlier on. We have Forex New Way currently in Japan. Okay, he just shared one information like say 162.10. Okay, 162.10 around here. Okay, 162.10 around here. So a lot of so-called buy stop. Okay, buy stop. So people are, so that means what he meant. Forex New Way. Okay, if you don't mind, I just give a comment on this. Okay, to answer some questions. Looking at this price here, so by this statement, because the question was asking that the statement, okay, there's a load of buy stop sitting at this 162.10. Okay, so people are waiting to buy here. People are waiting to buy in this area. Okay, yeah. So so that's to say, okay, the price right now for this pound yen may escalate until this area and continue the bull run. Forex New Way, am I right? Did I read it correctly? Okay. For your statement there. Okay. So, yeah. Yes, that means yes, that's right. Okay, Hubert, you are correct. Okay. So yeah, so it depends. Okay, so to me, I guess currently I will depends. I guess it depends on the where this currently where will it be going to? Okay, when the H4 opens. Okay, yeah, H4. Yeah. Okay, so M5 over here. Okay, let's take a look. M5, yes, now it's heading for like a retracement over here. So this part, after it retested the previous support as a resistance, then now it's actually moving towards back to this area, okay. Yep, that is correct. Okay, yeah, that's right. Buy stop could be a hedge. Yes, yeah, correct, that's right. Buy stop could be a hedge. I do not use stop loss because I always hedge. Okay, right. No, not me. Forex New Way. Okay, I'm putting Forex New Way. I'm reading out Forex New Way's messages here. Buy stop could be a hedge. I do not use stop loss. I always hedge. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Brilliant. Okay. Yep. All right. So. Okay. So that's yeah, brilliant. This message come from a German. Okay, Hubert. Okay, to Forex New Way. Okay, so yes. Okay, so coming again now, right? Let's see over this part first. Okay, the rest I think have to wait for a while. Okay, no, nothing. Poundcat. Let me screen through first. Okay, let me see. Aussie, nothing. Okay, still nothing. All right. It's very clear, very straightforward. Okay. Yeah, Euro yen. Euro yen over here. Okay, Euro yen. Euro yen tentatively. Well, hang on first. I'm still waiting for it to actually retest the resistance. Okay, and then we will see how it goes. Okay. EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD over here. Okay, no more. Yeah, EuroCAD. Just now we have just now is Euro Aussie. Okay, EuroCAD, huh? EuroCAD. EuroCAD tentatively, I guess. Maybe we'll. I think. I see that probably will come on the second half. Okay, and the next session may be better. Okay. Yes. Yep. Okay. Okay, so EuroCAD, now is on the 10. Yes. Okay, so EuroCAD. Okay, let's move again. Euro Aussie, yeah, now testing on the support here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so well, not much now, not much. Okay. EuroCAD TP 10 pips. Okay, congratulations, Aiden. Right. And sell order starts from 161.37. 161.37. Large sales order start from 161.92. 192 over here. Okay, so it's somewhere here. Okay, right? Yeah. The order starts from. Okay, yes. Oh, that's good. Great. Hey. Okay. Wow. Good reading. One. 92. Oh, great reading. Fantastic. Okay. Yes, over here. So right now we are fishing. Yeah, I would say that fishing, yes, on the way. Okay, so yes, just give a while, give a moment, right? So be a little bit patient. Okay, be patient. Okay, over here. For Pao Yen, okay, for Pao Yen, okay, if I'm going to shrink down, okay, let's take this, okay. So right now over here, as we can see for this one whole stretch here, okay, this part here, okay, it will be more to now testing on the resistance over there, okay. Yeah, okay, so this is somewhere that we should be paying attention to. Okay, all right, this area, all right, this area right now. Okay, the key level is 161.83. This is needed to fill the imbalance of the week. 161.83. Okay, we have this 161.83. Okay, right here. So 161.83. The balance of the week. Okay. Right. If that level is broken, then there will be a new high. Yes, that's correct. Okay. I agree. Okay, so we are also looking at this. Okay, this area. Okay, like a Forex New Way was talking about. Okay, so yeah, looking at this 161.83. Okay, as a Forex New Way quoted over here, key level is 161.83. This is needed to fill the imbalance of the week. Okay, which over here. So 161.406 is still the key level. Or 406 is still the key level, right? 46, yes, it's still the key level. So over at this point, at well, we are also looking at this. Okay, that if this level is broken, then a new high will be created. Okay, yes. Also. Yeah, that's right. Yes. Okay. Okay, so yep. Yes, so there are certain ways that we need to pay attention. There are certain levels that we need to pay attention to, okay? So that when we are actually trading to that level, okay, then you must understand that this level is where it is going, right? Okay, this is the level where the highest level, this is the level where the highest volume has been traded yesterday and today. Like this part here, can you see? Okay, guys, those were okay. Okay, so yep, around this level. Okay, this is the level where this is the level where the highest volume has been traded yesterday and today. Okay. Yeah, understood. Good, very good. Okay, so let me point out on this one. No. Now, no. This over here. We are very near here. Yes. Okay. So, like Forex New Way was quoted over here 161.406 about that 161.4. Okay. Yeah. It is around this area. Okay. It's around this area. Yes. Okay. Right. Aha. Okay, so no, I will be waiting. Okay, so Euro Yen, Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. We, as you can see, is that we are still very close. You know. Okay. This level. Okay, this part here. Okay, this is the support level. Am I right? So this is actually a push to show that this pullback, okay, and the resistance here, right, is actually another lower resistance, So this lower resistance, okay, is trying to show us, trying to tell us that the sellers are still willing to sell at this price. Okay, so we still, but the look at the space here is actually very tight. So usually for this kind of trade, I will not. It's not. To me, it's not really favorable. You know. Okay. So usually, no. I will. Yeah. I will give you a miss. Yeah. Okay. Conservative. Yes. Be patient. Okay. Yes. All right. Wait for 4 hours to open in 25 minutes time. Yes. I do agree. Yes. I also agree that because we are very near to the H4 opening. So to make sure that we have a better reading, okay, a clearer picture of what we are going to have, yes, then I think this is where we're going to apply our patience. Okay, right. Okay, guys, if you don't mind, okay, since I'm waiting for 25 minutes to go, all right. So I guess no, be careful, okay. This is a pullback. And over here, if it hits here and it's still under a retracement, right? So no way. Okay. All right. So I just plot it here. So guys, if you don't mind, okay, I will excuse myself for a little while, while I quickly go to the gens. All right, and I will be back shortly. Okay. All right. Okay. Shall see you in a short while. Alright guys, I'm back here. Thank you for your patience. Thank you so much for accommodating for me to go for a toilet break. I hope you guys are still here with me. Alright. So yes, once again, alright, people who are new to my channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, alright, so that we can always share our trading ideas here, alright, so that everybody will get a benefit from here, right? Yes, once again, thank you Forex New Wave, as actually today have provided us with a lot of very fantastic idea, alright? Okay, okay. If you tell me your email address, I will send you a screenshot of Pao Yan. Love your background music. Oh, thank you. Aku makrab. Okay, so yes. All right. Okay. Yes. Good. Great that we have Forex New Way sharing. Okay. Yes. Okay. So over here. All right. Okay. So this is my email. Yes. Right here. Okay, guys. Come back here. Okay. Usually when I come back for a break, okay, I'll go back again to see what's the whole situation again, so that I won't get missed out, you know, certain things out there. All right. Okay. So let's take a look. Okay. Right. And yes. Okay. Over here. Well, looking for selling here. So right now we are very near. Okay, because we are very near to the H4 opening, where usually H4 opening. Okay, I will usually. Okay, I will just hang on with my trade first. Okay, this is a time where I will just hang on with my trade. Okay, right. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. To get an office that the toilet is nearer. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, the toilet is quite a distance away. Yes. Yeah, it's right to the corner of the building. Yeah. That's right. Okay, so okay, let's come back here. Let's not waste any time. Okay, Euro Aussie. Right, Euro Aussie. Yes, it's something like we were talking about this. Yeah, the support is very near now. So looking at this part here, we are right on the right now. Okay, this M5 has stopped here. Okay, over here. Okay, so it's still a bit of struggling over here. Okay, so yeah, Euro-CAD, we still have a little bit of space to go. Okay, so yeah, so this is too little. Okay, not even for scalping. So I just give you a miss. All right, Euro Yen, Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen over here. Euro Yen is now breaking through the support, which is good. Okay, so coming in the next hour, in the next session, Euro Yen may be in the focus also. Okay, something that we can pay attention to. Right, yeah, but just bear in mind that the hour, okay, the hour is important, huh? Okay. Okay, so yep. So wow, okay, great. Forex New Way, I received your email. Okay, so look. Hey, What? Oh. Okay. Let me place this in front of me. Okay. Right. Okay. Let me finish this Euro Yen first. Okay. Euro Yen over here. Euro Yen. Okay. Currently, looking at this Euro Yen. Okay. This is something still testing on the support. Okay. So right now, yes. Still going on. Okay. So not yet. Okay. So let me come back to Pound Yen. Right. Forex New Way. I would like to comment, okay, that you are really such a trader with big heart. Fantastic, okay. And yeah, I received your email, okay, and this is very informative, okay, and wow, this is okay, so let's do this. Okay. Oh. Great sharing. I would say that this is great sharing. Okay. Well, okay, I'm back. All right. Good. Good. Wow. Right. Nice. Sorry, back cross. Oh, back cross. Okay, back cross over here. Okay. You were referring to over this area is a back cross. Am I right? Did I get really correctly over here? This is the back cross. Am I right? The back cross. Reported your Fibo very nicely. Wow. Okay. Okay. And okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I get you. Okay. Right. Okay. So Okay, so right now, okay, yes, okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, so this is my understanding here for backgrounds and good. Okay, right, I will hang on, I will just read it further down. Okay, I'll read it further down. And hey, uh, okay. Right, so we have another 5 minutes to go, guys. We have another 5 minutes to go. All right, so just hang on first. Okay, just Forex New Way, let me hang on with the with attachment first. Okay, so let me go through. Okay, some questions here. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie. Right now, okay, I will prefer to wait. I will prefer to wait. Okay, Euro Aussie, I'll prefer to wait. Okay, I'll prefer to wait first. Okay, we are very near. Okay, we are very near. So right now, okay, with this over here, okay, with this, with the movement over here right now, okay, this is something that going to pay attention to right now. Okay, because okay, that's a this is actually looking good to me. Okay, looking good to me. I will prefer to wait. I'll prefer to wait first. Okay, I'll prefer to wait for another retesting. Let me bring this down again. This down. Okay, right. So it's around this area. So let's wait for this H4 opening. Okay. So if the next 5 minutes, if there's a retesting, then probably we'll look at the situation. If the situation permits, then okay, I guess that will be good. Okay. Right, so yep. Yes. Okay, that's Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD. Okay, hang on. We have just 4 minutes to go. Euro CAD has completed this. Yeah, completed, correct. It has completed. Okay, so hang on as well. Just hang on first, okay. Euro yen, not really yet. Okay. Pound Aussie, no, not yet. Very clear. Okay, Pound CAD is something that Pound CAD. Pound CAD. I won't see. Pound CAD tentatively, no, not yet. Okay, just hang on for a while. Yeah, Pound CAD. Hang on for a little while first. Okay, Pound CAD. yes. Okay, so your Pound Yen. Okay, let's take the Pound Yen. Okay, Pound Yen still looking good. Okay, yes, Pound Yen still looking good. Yes. Okay, can and Pound Yen. Pound Yen Pound Yen tentatively it looks like it is still going on to retest this previous support as a resistance over here. Okay, yes, it is still on the way. All right, so by looking at this point here, okay, when we come back here down here, right, to the current situation, here, this one, okay, this one, okay, this part here, okay, this part here, yes, this part here. Okay, so you got it, huh? Okay, so 30. Okay, so now we are also having a rejections here. Can you see? So it's not that ideal yet. So it's showing that the buying volume is still very strong, right? Okay. So next to go, M5, okay, 5 over here, coming again, same thing, right? Yep. Okay, so yes, move on with this. Sorry, we're saying that maybe a head and shoulder forming. Right shoulder may form on the line but 4 hours of time frame. You mean pound yen? Okay. Pound yen. Right shoulder. Yes. You know. So the left. Okay. So coming probably another right over here. Do you mean pound yen? Do you mean pound yen? For the head and shoulder. Sorry, I have to do some water. Okay. I think okay. Sound better? All right. Yes. Easier to see on the line chart. Easier to see on the line chart. Okay. Right. So one. Okay. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah. Right. I guess so. I think that's that's quite yeah, that maybe yes. Maybe the right shoulder is coming. Yeah, correct. Oh, that's a good idea. Sometimes a line chart is also a very prominent one, okay, for us to see where is it going to, okay. Okay, so come back here again. H4 has opened. Okay, let's just go through this pound yen first. But of course, we don't really determine where is it going during the first few minutes. Am I right? Okay, so let's take a look whether the selling signal is strong enough. All right, so over here, I guess probably the next hour. Probably will be in the next hour. Okay, so yes, again, okay, M30, okay, looks good here. All right, so M15, okay, showing some selling. Okay, M5 over here, we are still, I would say they're still being supported in a way over here. Right, so currently, okay, it has come near to the rejections here. Okay, and we are still working on the support. We are still working on the support here. All right, in this area. So I guess there are still some time. Okay, that we need to keep a little bit more patient before we can decide. All right. Okay, so yep, get up a little bit. All right. Okay. Okay, so good. So right now, okay, so right now, reading on this pound yen, we are working on the support here first. Okay, so let's see. A pound cat, let's take a look at pound cat. Well, pound cat over here, we are now, I would say that pretty near. Okay, so see over here. Okay, probably a stop will do. Okay, other than that, I guess pound cat, I will see there's some potential, right? Pound cat, there's some potential. But then again, is that it seems like it's coming to a state whereby there's a lot of hindrance along the way. Okay, so I guess probably have to wait for quite a long while. Yes, patient. Yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah, pound Aussie. Okay, pound Aussie. Definitely no. Okay, not for me. Right, pound Aussie definitely not for me over here. As I see that pound Aussie probably even a scalp is not that impossible. All right, but then again is that I prefer to play safe. Okay, I prefer to play safe. Yeah, be safe than sorry. Okay. Yes. Okay, pound Aussie. Yep. Okay, Euro Yen. Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen, I guess a lot to go. So no for me, definitely. Okay. Euro CAD. Euro CAD. Yes, Euro CAD. Okay. I hope nobody enter here. Okay, just now as was rushing down, I was saying that please wait. Okay, please wait for this H4 to open before we decide. Okay. Right, and also Euro Aussie. Okay, let's take a look. Euro Aussie, same thing. Okay, we are talking about this as well. So Euro CAD has actually completed, and we wanted to wait for. So same thing go for Euro Aussie. Okay, well, come back again. Well, Pound Yen. Okay, so now working on this. Now it's working on this, right? So over here, as we can see, tested the support as a higher support now. Okay. So right now it's actually building another higher support. It's building. All right. It's building on a higher support over here. So the higher support over here nearer to the resistance. We are coming to this resistance level where this resistance level, okay, we are going to see whether this testing will it break the resistance. Okay, whether it will break the resistance. Okay. So yep. Yes. Yes, once again, all right, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to have live trading session and also sharing session over here with all of you, all right, so that we can learn together, we can trade together. All right, okay. And I have my daily analysis that is GMT plus 13 hours. Okay, so it will have it's a planning for the whole first half of the day. What are the currency pairs that I wanted to trade, so I will pick them out. Okay, then after that, then we will continue with this live trading session. Okay, all right. So yes, right now we are now testing on this. Okay, testing on this previous support over here as a resistance. So looking at this, now we are going above. Okay, now, right? It seems like it's testing through. Okay, testing to break this part here, this area. So yep, somewhere we have to pay attention to. Okay, right? Okay, so yes, just take note, okay, take note first, yes. Okay, what would I do is that if this actually coming back for retesting as a previous resistance as a support, then it started to build out another higher support above this level, then I guess it's definitely out of the league. Okay, so we are not going to focus. Right. Okay, so just take note. Okay, so looking at this part here, right? So this is quite a crucial area. Okay, this area is quite crucial. Yes, correct. Okay. No worries. Okay. Yep. Okay. So yep, that's I'm going to pay attention on this part here. Okay, and just now was a Euro Aussie, right? Euro Aussie. Okay, if Euro Aussie coming back here, okay, to have a retest once again, right? Then we will see how it goes with a resistance below. Okay, with a resistance below. Looking at this tentatively, I will be looking out for another about 40 pips to go. Okay, another 40 pips to go. Okay. Pound Yen. Right, Pound Yen. It looks like this resistance is not holding. It's not holding well. Okay. You have to talk more so that you can start selling. Is that so? Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. So, yep. Yes. Okay. I guess we have another 1 minute to go. Another 1 minute. Okay. Another 1 minute. Another 1 minute to let me see if I wanted to if what's the situation like, is how it's going to decide the way it's going to move. Okay. Right. Yep. So I hope, of course I hope it opens below, right? A group of buy stop from 161.40 to 161.50 algorithm will usually hit them, bring them into the market and reverse. 161.40, which is at this level. Okay. Right. So to 161.50. Okay. Okay. So let's take a look how it's going to react around this area. Okay. Yes. Very good sharing over here. Right. Yeah. Indeed. Okay. We are getting we are getting more and more yes. No. What I'm trying to say is that, okay, we are getting more and more engagement over here where we have people like Forex New Way, we are sharing, okay, and we have some others who are sharing like Hubert, okay, and that's good, you know. We are, yes, this is exactly what I wish to have, you know, so that everyone in the market, we are actually learning from each other, and we are able to trade better and make profit together, you know, so that we're going to build a very healthy, fantastic community, you know. Okay, so yep. So this is what I'm looking out for. Yeah. Okay. Great. Yeah, that's great. I find it great too. Okay. Right. So yeah, coming again, looking at I'm going to look at observing like past 50 minutes. Okay, the rejections coming 30 minutes. Okay, so we are still in the first half an hour of this H4 opening. So tentatively, okay, like I always like to say is that you know, before 1 hour before the H4 opens and 1 hour after, okay, then it will be very likely, okay, there will be some changes, you know. So we need to observe them. Okay, we need to observe them. All right. Okay. So 161.43 was the midline of the Asian session. 161.43. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me move this 161.43. Okay, so it's around here. Okay, 161.43. Okay, right. So when you shrink down, okay, okay, was the midline of the Asian session. Just touch that and reverse down so far. Okay, so that this is the line. Okay, if I'm okay, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, Forex New Way. Okay, way here. Right. So this area. Okay. Somewhere here. Okay. Right. So yeah. Okay. That plotted correctly. Forex New Way, so that the rest of them will also understand. All right. From the sharing. Okay. Okay, have a drink. Okay. So this is what we call this midline over here, right? Yes, that's right. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so over here, right? What we meant by this midline over here the sorry, this part here, okay, as we can see, all right, this is the midline in the Asia. So right now, okay, Asia market, I would say, put it this way, okay, mostly closed, all right, okay, all right. So right now, okay, this Asian session already closed, okay, so the focus, the change, okay, is coming, right? So probably then what you are looking at earlier on, okay, there may be a change right now, okay. So just monitor first, okay. Monitor the way that you're going to go, okay, and make sure it is still going your way, okay. Don't trade against the trend. That's very important, okay. Try not to trade against the trend. I know there are some traders who are very well versed in a pullback. Okay, I think that is also very good. Okay, so this is something that we also need to understand. Okay, that sometimes when you are having a pullback, okay, okay, it will become an anti-trend trading. So just be very sure that you are actually trading with the trend. That's very important. Okay, right. I'll try to explain it simply. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so that the rest of them can read on. Okay. Right, so okay, so over here, guys, asking you. I'm sorry. Did I miss any questions? Okay. Did I miss any question here? Okay, if I miss any question, do let me know. All right. Okay. We have let's put it another 15 minutes, half an hour to go. All right. Okay. Sydney makes a high and low. Sydney makes a high and low. It is the Asian market job to take out the top and the bottom. Makes a high and low is top and bottom. Right. Well, you mean this part here? After the Asian session, the UK market and the American will take out the top and the bottom of the market. Yes, I do agree. Okay, so over here, okay, banks do not want you to know this information. Cheers, mate. Yeah. Well, okay. Well, fantastic. Okay. Let me do this. Okay, let me do this. To okay, somewhere. Right. Okay. Coming again. All right. Coming along with this. Okay. So, Forex New Way. I'm just briefly draw out what you have explained. Hopefully the rest I can understand. Okay. Just let me know if I draw it out correctly. Okay. Yes. This is a channel that is so much of a sharing. What a great channel to subscribe. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, so remember to subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you. Okay, so yep. Okay, that's why you need to pay attention to see if the high and low were taken out or not. If not, the algorithm will come back for them later. Okay. Yes. Exactly. Okay. So usually, okay, we will do it this way, all right? Okay, if there's the market right at the opening, okay, right at the opening, you need to draw vertical line when the Asian session ends. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's true. Okay, so when the markets actually, if the market boom up like this and it started to go this way down, all right, so we can bring this way somewhere here, all right. Actually I shouldn't do this. No, I like to do this. Can I do this? Is it too fanciful? Okay. No, I love to do it in a way that you know, people will start to see it that way. Okay. Right. Okay. It's more onto the visual effects there. Okay. Forex New Way, what do you think of my drawing? Okay. Right. Okay. So yep. Let's check on this. Okay. Let's go with this now. Right. So over here. Okay. Over here. With this. Okay. With this. Oh, we are. Oh, sorry. Okay, Forex New Way, you can continue your comment, guys. Hang on with me for a little while. Let me answer one of these call. Hello, yes. Again, yes. Okay, y'all can go for dinner first. Then I think you can. Yeah, I'll get back home. Okay, thank you so much. All right. Let's go. No problem. Right, guys, I'm back here. Okay. Okay, so how's my drawing here? Okay, so what is that? You can see how the algorithm just went below the low to bring in sellers. Normally, if Asian market rises at the beginning, it will fall. Yes, that's true. Okay, and you can see how algorithm just went below the lows. Okay, right. Then it took the price to the midline. That way, the seller's stop loss will be hit. This way. Do you mean this way? This breakout here. At the bottom of the Asian sellers enter. Sorry, I should put it this way. Yeah. Okay, so this is the area here. Correct? We are the area. Okay. Cool. Understood. Wow. Okay. Understood. Okay. Do you understand, guys? Okay, 161.459, 161.9. So it's around here. Okay, this area. Okay, good. Bradley, you can understand, right? Okay, right. Okay, yes. Yes, I can understand now. Okay, that's good. That's why you never sell when the price breaks the bottom. Okay, breaks the bottom. And breaks the bottom, wait for it to pull back or you will be stopped out. Aha. Okay, okay. That is very true. Okay, correct. Fantastic sharing here. Right. Alright guys, I think if you are online right now, okay, I think we should give a round of applause. Okay, emoji. Okay, one emoji for Forex New Way. Okay, this is very great sharing. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so this is something that we need to pay attention to. Okay, so things like this. Okay, the key over here. Okay, as we can see that this part here, right, as we are drawing near, okay, okay, let me phrase it another way for some simple English, okay, for some other nationality. All right, Forex New Way. So let me know if I'm wrong. Okay, so yes, okay, I just phrase it as layman as possible. All right. Over here, okay, as the time draw near to the closing, okay, as the time draw near to the closing, okay, now you should be looking at 161.8 at the Asia top. 161. You mean the price or you mean the Fibo? Price, right? Okay, the price, right? Yeah. I guess you are talking about price. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, yeah. I will give you a while. Right. So, yep. Now. Okay, so this will probably be taken out in the American section. I will see highly possible. Okay, so anyway, okay, so yep. So this now, okay, we are going to look at this part here. Okay, oh, let me explain it in a simpler English. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I don't really understand. Huh. Okay. Okay. Not to worry. Okay. Not to worry. All right. So let me see. Think of a way. Okay. Can I say that this way? Okay. As 没关系 Okay, I will explain it slowly. All right. Okay, let's put it this way. When as time draw near to the closing of the Asian market, okay. Okay, when the Asian market is coming near, all right. Closing near. Okay. So we have to take note. Okay, we have to take note. And take note where is the top and bottom. Okay, the top and the bottom. Like example, okay, this area. Okay, this area. Right. So okay, so when this area, okay, it shows the top and the bottom in the Asia market. Am I right? All right. Okay, this is the top. Okay, right. This is the top. Okay. Okay, Roger, can you understand? If you can understand, can you type in Mandarin to explain for me? All right. Okay. So over here. Okay, over here, the top. Okay, now. Okay. Now this is the bottom. Okay, right here. Right. From this area. From this area. All right. Yes. Okay. Okay, good. So yes. Okay. So 你要明白的是，它的那个时间，当他们开始要就是这个亚洲市场 ，OK， 亚洲市场呢已经开始要结束的时候 ，OK， 那么我们就必须要比较注意一下 ，OK， 那么注意一下它的那个高点的低点在哪儿。那么我们可以定夺，就是在那一刹那的时候呢，我们的这个时候还能不能再做空 ，OK， 好不好？还能不能再做空？因为有些时候，当你开始在这个低点时候做空的时候呢，其实这个亚洲市场已经没有什么流动量了，所以呢，它呢在这个时候呢可能会有回调的一个现象。啊，这是一个我们必须要了解的，这是其中一种方式啊，其中一种方式就是这一整天里面呢，如果一开始是在往上飙升的时候呢，往往呢，它会在这个就是往着这个亚洲市场开始要关闭的时候，它就会开始往下跌，就比如说一开始的时候是往上升嘛，对吗？慢慢开始走向这个亚洲市场，全部亚洲市场要关闭的时候呢，这个价格呢会开始往下跌。可是主要的是我们要注意的是说，它的主要最低的那个价位开始在往下跌的这个部分的时候 ，OK， 我们还能不能再做空啊？这个是一个重点。OK， 如果到了就是 the second half, okay, let me come back in English. Okay, let me come back in English. All right. Okay, let me come back in English over here. Right. So, as this has the Asian market has closed and this is the low. Okay, this is the low. Right. So this may cause in the US market, okay, in the US market may have a pullback over here, may have a pullback, right? So this pullback, it will also determined by one thing called the midline, okay, right? The mid trading line, okay. So the mid trading line, right? So yeah, so over at this point, all right, somewhere here, all right. Okay, so there may be a cycle of pulling up here, meet up with this, and continue the buying. Okay. Forex new way. I put it that simple way. For some Asians that they need a simpler English. Did I explain it correctly? For your point of view here. Okay. Right. Yes. Okay. Okay. Right, so okay. Yep. Okay, so another sharing over here, one of the reasons. Yes, Hubert. Okay, Hubert, okay, fully understand, okay. This is a trading. This is a trading a cycle day traders. A day cycle traders trading. What are you writing about? Can don't type too fast. It's okay. I'll come back to you later. Okay. One of the reasons the pound yen rally yesterday was that the algorithm left a few Asians top of about 2 weeks ago. If you done all in yesterday, so about two so okay, so yesterday you are talking about yesterday. So, yep. Okay. One of the reasons the power rally yesterday was that the algorithm left few Asians top about 2 weeks ago. Asian tops about 2 weeks ago. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, that's pretty true. Okay. Okay, yes. Okay. Right. So okay, so coming. Okay, we are 30 minutes away from the H4 opening now. Okay, so let's okay, coming in, I'm going to have a simple a quick wrap up, okay, for the day. Right, a quick wrap up for the day over here. Right, so over here today we have a great sharing from Forex New Way. All right, on the other side we have a lot of clapping hands for Forex New Way. All right, thank you Forex New Way for your sharing. That's great. Okay, so hey, now running over here. Let me see in H1. Okay, it's still doing good. But I will be looking at things like for the next hour. Okay, next hour we have to take a look at the next hour. It's very important, I would say. Okay, right. That's why you need to pay attention every day to see if the top and the bottom is taken out. It's not the algorithm. It is not. Algorithm will come back to them out. Okay, right. Yes. Okay. Okay, so yep, let's see. Okay, let me go back here. Okay. Okay, so over here, as we can see this way, all right. As we are actually going through, okay, as we are going through, all right. So right now, okay, in this 1 hour, so far so good. Okay, selling is we are still building up one resistance, which from the top of here we can see there's a resistance down here. We are coming down one, and this may be the second wave of the selling. Okay, so over this part here, okay, let me go through. Okay, for the past 30 minutes, we are still maintaining on the selling after rejected from this resistance up there. Then coming along, okay, so coming along over here. So right now, okay, just be very careful because over here, okay, from the support here, we have building up one higher support over here, which left you with only about 9 pips space if you are going to sell. Okay, this is kind of this can be quite risky over here. Okay, so if you are going to take a selling, okay, take a selling from this area, right? From this area to this area, although we still stand about 27 pips to go of space, right? However, along the way, there are still some support that are still supporting the price. Okay, so we need to be a bit careful. Whereby I will see that the opportunity is actually right here. Okay, the opportunity will be more to here. Okay, and we are looking out by this over at this point. Okay, the opportunity will be more on slide on in this area here. Okay, the profitable area. Okay, I will say. Okay, the profitable area. So currently, okay, currently, I guess probably we still have to wait for another hour to to see, okay, to determine where are we actually heading. I think it will be much clearer by then. Okay, it should be much clearer in I would say that in 1 hour or two. Okay, so that in US market it will be much clearer on how you should. Okay, right. So this is one of the trading. This is one of the yeah. There's a lot of trading. There's a lot of trading. What is that? Oh, oh. Okay. It's not talking to me. I thought you're talking to me. Okay. So you're okay. All right. Okay. I think one Friday I'm going to put all of you into one platform. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Since we have quite a lot of British here, correct? We have quite a lot of British here, so I think still doing good. I guess yeah. I think yeah. Yes. Okay. Well. Okay. Just send you and 1 hour screenshot for pound to your email. Oh, I see. That's great. Okay. Oh, that's very nice of you. Okay, let me check. Okay. Right. So yeah. Okay. So let me see. Your so the FIBO have actually achieved 100. Okay, so and 1 hour over here, you are talking about these rejections here. Okay, and there's one 61.8 is about now. Yeah, it's about 61.8. Am I right? Okay, is that what you mean? 61.8. Okay. We have I think we have a very, very close system. the Forex New Way, did you realize that? I mean, you know, I don't know whether by reading now, okay, it looks like we have very close system. Okay, just like Hubert also using it, the same thing, right? Okay, and this is what Asians are lacking for this type of system and knowledge here. There's plenty. I mean, for those that I met, okay. Of course, I didn't. Not many. Okay, I didn't met up with many of them, all of them, but from those that I've met up with, okay, not many have the similar system. Okay, and I don't know if you find the system like your ATR, you know, and also yeah, very similar over here. And okay, so now it's trying to break this 61.8, right? Okay. Oh, this is nice. Okay. You have a very almost a very comprehensive one. Okay. Okay, so yep, looking at these candlesticks on the 1 hour looks like a double. Okay, watch. Okay, looking at these candlesticks 1 hour. On the 1 hour, okay, on the 1 hour, yes, a W is forming. Now it's on the left. We are waiting for the bottom, then then it will start to form the right. Are we on the same channel? Are we on the same channel? Okay. Right. I hope so. Okay. Okay, so yes. Now, okay. Pao Yan, yes, Pao Yan right now is actually trying to break through, okay. What? Have a railroad track green railroad track red now green now waiting for the green candle. Yeah, okay, yes. Next hour, so next hour is very important. Yeah, next hour is very important. Okay, that's why do you agree with me? I don't know. Okay, do you agree with me that the next hour is very important? Okay, what do you mean by the railway track here? Okay, there are people asking me here. Okay, this part here, this part here, this part here. All right. Okay, this area here. Okay, this area. Can you see? Okay, I zoom in and follow my cursor. Okay, this area here. Okay. Right. Okay, so this part here. Yep. Okay, so right now, okay, on over here, okay, this area should be the feeble of 61.8. Am I right? 61.8. Right. So this is somewhere this area is trying to break through. Right. If this can break through, okay, then definitely it will go down to the next level. Okay. Yeah. Right. So yeah, it will go down to the next level to actually to retest it once again. Okay. So yeah, I think there's still a way to go. Not there yet anyway. Right. Okay. So yep. So this is the area. Okay. This is the area. Right. This is the area that please take note. Okay. So whatever it is, anyway, like now, I would say that it is not a very good timing to enter for a trade right now. I will still prefer to wait for another H1 opening. Okay, another H1 opening. I think it will be much clearer. Okay, for us to see what's the situation. Currently, I would say that the situation for Pao Yan that I'm looking at, okay, it's not very clear for me. It's not really clear for me. It's trying to break this support level. Okay, we're standing at this 61.8 feeble, right? And also it's still being resisted in a way, all right. But then again, is this in this whole area here? This area here, okay. This whole area here. So I would prefer to have a very clear picture. Okay, no, not a clear entry point, a clear picture. Yeah, to have a clear picture first. For example, Forex New Way, can I ask you, will you enter a trade right now, or buying or selling? Now, right now, right at this minute. Okay, for example, okay. So this is okay. I will prefer to wait. Okay, right. Okay, so no, Bradley say no, Forex New Way say no. Yeah, exactly. You see, okay, so this is something that we are actually looking at. No, okay, right. Would like to see what happens at 161.409. I am guessing we stay below this level for a while, and then New York will challenge the top. I think I will look for sales in the New York. You have a keyword here. New York will challenge the top. Okay, so yes, this is something that we should be also looking out for. Okay, because over here, tentatively, right now, first thing first, over here at this minute, okay, we cannot see anything. We cannot see anything right now for a very clear situation that where it will be going, right? So what am I looking out for is also, right, to have a clear situation first, right? So for a very clear situation before I take action. So right now, okay, the situation here that is we are very near to the support, but we don't really have a lot of space and anyway for buying or selling. So I would prefer to just sit back and relax, Then later on, if the situation get clearer, whereby we can see the situation, like example, is going for a buy to challenge, like Forex New Way was talking about that challenge the top. Okay, then probably that will be something that we'll be looking out for, right? Okay, so by then we sell. Okay, by then we sell. Yes. Okay, it's a long wait. Well, maybe. Well, okay. Right now the algorithm is building sell orders slowly. New York will do a rapid reversal to take out all sales today. Okay, yeah. It looks like one now. Okay, so yeah, so something that we need to be careful. Okay. Of course, guys, whoever is actually sharing your comments here, okay, hold no responsibility, okay, or any profit and loss, no responsibility on anyone's. Okay, we are just sharing with for people out there to understand what we are doing, to share out some of our views on our trading, and so that all of us can have a different learning curve, and also get something today, every day, so it is good, right? It is good. So right, guys, okay, so stay neutral. All right, stay neutral, and just take our comments, okay, whether it's myself or anyone like Forex New Way, like Bradley, okay, like anyone out there, right? So yeah, feel free to share, okay, as long as constructive, okay, so we will appreciate that. Correct? Okay. All right. So yes. Right now, like Forex New Way was saying, it's building the sell orders. Okay. So will there be a chance? Okay. Will there be a chance that it will break below the lows? Will there be a chance to break below the lows today? Okay. Will there be a chance to break the lows today? Okay. Right. Okay, I work in the bank. I know exactly how algorithm works. Yes, people will not believe it, but the algorithm decides of candles from A before Asia starts. Okay. Okay. Yes, I agree with you. Yeah, Hubert. Yes, you agree too? Yeah, high five. Yes. Okay. Right. Okay, this is hard for most people to believe. Yes. Many retailer. I would say that. Yeah. Things. Yep. But the candles and the length of the wicks are decided. The candles and the length of the wicks are decided. Oh, okay. Yes. That's also right. Okay. Now you guys learn something, right? Huh? Okay. Yes. There is nothing random in this market. Okay. Right. So right now for pound yen, okay, right now for pound yen, we are still working on 61.8. Right now. Okay, right now. Okay, we are still working on 61.8. And 161.8. Okay, so yeah, 61.8 and 161.8. Okay. Yep. Yes. Yep. Right. Yes. No way. You know the rules. His name is Forex New Way. Forex New Way's name is Forex New Way. Correct? Okay. Am I right, Forex New Way? Mr. Forex New Way? No, sorry. I shouldn't say Mr. I should say just Forex New Way. Okay? We don't care about the gender. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah, that's interesting. Yes, that indeed. Okay. So interesting to have traders joining in the community that it actually brings a spark to the community that gives a lot of sharing. It's fantastic. Yeah, indeed. Okay. Right. The algorithm decides where the price is going. It looks random to you because it moves faster or slower from news only. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Hush. Okay. I guess this live video should be. Alright. Okay, anyway, no names mentioned, so nobody knows. Okay. Okay. You cannot mention your name. You cannot mention. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, anyway, we are all here for sharing, alright? Nothing wrong. Okay. Yeah, as long as we don't review anything more than what we should, okay. Yep. Okay, so you see, as you can see, right now, pound yen, M5. Now let's look at M5. Just look at M5. You don't have to look at any other things like H1 right now. Okay, the reason behind is that by looking at M5, okay, it's very clear that we are still working on the 61.8, correct? Okay, in a Fibo of 61.8. Yes. Okay, so it's very clear. It's very clear that we are working on the Fibo of a 61.8. So this is something that I am also quite concerned that this waiting for it to break, right? Waiting for it to break it. Yeah. Okay, so we have a question here. Okay. Okay. Right. And we have a question here. Okay, let me. This if it breaks the 61.8 and breaks this, if it's continue to break down with these lows, will it continue to sell? Okay. Okay, this question here is like this. Okay, if it breaks the lows, will it continue the sell? Okay, that's the question. Okay. Okay. Right. The question here, that's the question here. If it breaks the lows, okay, will it continue to sell? Right. Okay. Depends where buyers are waiting. Okay, so it depends. Yes, it depends where the buyers are waiting. Okay, So currently, okay, if let's say if it breaks here, okay, if it breaks here, okay, where will be the buyers waiting for? Okay, the sellers have to take notes. Okay, whenever, okay, whenever sellers are selling happily, right, please also stay vigilant in a way the buyers are in front of you, they are waiting for you. Okay, right? The tigers are waiting for you. Am I right? Forex New Way. Okay, so sellers, when you are selling, okay, when you are selling, okay, for example, okay, when you are selling, you have to pay attention. Okay, you have to not pay attention. First of all, okay, I guess first of all you got to, you know, you got to, you know, have a mindset that, you know, when sellers are selling happily, all right, please bear in mind, when you're selling happily, oh yeah, it went down 30 pips, 40 pips, 50, 60, 100, but please bear in mind, there's someone waiting for you, okay, in front of you, okay. So don't be too overwhelming by, you know, the selling volume, okay. So always take note, always take note, okay. Hold that mindset first, okay. There are always buyers waiting for you if you are selling happily, okay. Then where? Now, question asked, where? All right, okay. Question now, if you're selling happily, correct? Yes. Please take note, buyers are in front, but where are they? Where are they? All right. For simple understanding, okay. For simple understanding, all right. Around 160. Around 160. Okay, for simple understanding, all right, it should be around 167. Okay, it should be around 167. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Oh, okay. Yeah. Right. So take note. So pound yen is still challenging 61.8. Okay, still challenging the 61.8. Okay, right. So this is okay. I got your email. Send you an interesting screenshot. Oh. Oh. Okay. Fantastic. Well, guys, I think this is great. Okay. Right. Okay. Well, I think good sharing. Thank you, Forex New Way. Okay. Yes, I received your email. Okay. Yes, right now, okay. Euro yen, I taken another profit. Are you sure? With this, I scalp for a 5 only. Okay. Okay, scalp for a 5 only. Okay. Right, so coming back here, this is the proof, okay, that the market is fixed. Okay. Yes, this is interesting, really interesting, huh? Right. Okay, so yes. Okay, guys, I shall be with you for another 2 minutes. Okay. Right. So yes, another 2 minutes. I hope today, okay, we have actually have a very good sharing from Forex New Way today. The key person of sharing, Moose. Okay, thank you so much, Forex New Way. I give you a round of applause for you. All right, and really looking forward for more. And the rest of just subscribe to my YouTube channel. right, stay subscribed. And people who are new, remember to click on the subscribe button because we are sharing as much as possible, okay, as many scenario case studies together with you, all right, so that each day we can manage to grab some profits as a day trader for myself, all right. So yeah, there'll be plenty to go, okay. So for pound yen we are still pound yen 61.8, we are still okay, right. This is fantastic, okay. Thanks for sharing the secret to us, okay. So give him a round of applause, all right. Give him a round of applause, give him a clap, okay, give him a clapping, emoticons, okay, things like he can spell out, okay, but okay, people who know me, I can't spell it out. Fantastic, huh? Good. Well, that's good. Now I got Hubert, I got Forex New Way. Well, fantastic. Okay, right. Okay, so yes, 61.8. Well, on the way now. We are hitting very. I think this is a very close fight. Okay, to what I see here. Okay, it is now the price of the pound yen is a very close fight for 61.8. So I hope that of course the 61.8 can be retested again. Okay, so I do not. Of course, I don't wish to see an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, it looks like an inverse head and shoulder here. Correct. All right. So I do not wish to see an inverse. Okay. So right here. Okay. So hopefully. Okay. Hopefully, once it breaks. Okay. Once it breaks here. Okay. Then let's see. Like many of them was asking if it breaks the 61.8 and continue to break the lows here. Okay. And where the buyers are waiting for. Okay, all right. I guess all of you are very curious, right? Okay. So first of all, your curiosity may kill a cat, but stay calm. Okay. So something important over here that is the first. Let's cross the 61.8 mark. Okay, let's cross the 61.8 mark first. All right. If you know the key candle measuring with Fibo, it works all the time. If you need to know the key candle on any time frame you trade. Perfect. Right. Okay. Right. Usually the key candles is always the biggest move. With the biggest move. Do you do that? Okay. So up. Okay. So like for example, okay, for me, right? Okay, for me. This is candles are manipulated by the meta trader, which is also this is something that we also need to be very careful. Okay, so that's why guys you have to really work on it. Okay. Like sorry. Wait. Hang on. Let me remove this. Okay. Let me. Okay. Delete this first. Okay. Candles are manipulated by a mega trader. Right. So somehow they look bigger, but sometimes they have no volume. You must monitor the volume level. Yes, that's right. Okay, so that's why when you are trading, sometimes don't follow the crowd. Okay, at times please don't follow the crowd. Okay, the crowd may be misleading. Okay, so you have to understand that moment of this situation. Like example, the volume level, right? All these are very important. So this is something that we should pay attention to as well. Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, we have hey Eric, this is okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes. Volume is king. Correct. That's right. Okay. Yes. And have some question. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. Okay. I thank on behalf of this Forex New Way. I thank you. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Nice words from a Scottish. Okay. My name is Scott from Scotland. Call me Scott. Okay. Yeah, I know. You're a humorous guy. All right, Forex New Way. Yeah, Scott was saying. Yeah, very nice of you. Okay. All right. So good. Okay. Yes, that's what we are building in the community in this channel. We hope to have a lot of build up a very healthy environment for traders out there. Okay, so that we can understand, there are different culture from different regions. Okay, that they will trade differently, and the way they see forex is also they see it differently as well. You get what I mean, right? Okay, you're welcome from Anonymous Trader. Yeah, we are all cute, huh? Okay. All right. Okay, guys. I guess it's about time for Forex New Way to enjoy his sashimi. Okay, and also my dinner time before I start on the next session of my meetings. Okay, right. Okay, so Hubert, stay tuned. Okay, later on, 2 hours later. Okay, I will see you there. And the rest, thank you so much for coming into my channel. I hope you enjoy the session here today. And of course, once again, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my YouTube channel to build this community with all of us to trade together, to gain knowledges and also knowledge as well as profits. Okay, each time when we are discussing. All right. So thank you so much, guys. I shall see you guys tomorrow. Okay, and hopefully tomorrow will be a good day for everyone. Like today, we expected some profits from pound yen, euro yen, okay, and also euro Aussie. Okay, so thank you guys. So yeah, if you are keen to monitor this pound yen, okay, you can actually have like this, okay, like my chart here. Okay, so you can see what if it's really break below the lows today, okay, in the Asia session, then you can see where it's going, and let's look out where are the buyers waiting for you. All right. Okay, guys, thank you so much. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you once again tomorrow. Okay, thank you and have a great evening. Thank you so much, guys. See you.